Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. The Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, JCPOA, is associated with A. Regulation of international trade of weapons. B. Sanctioning North Korea over weapons of mass destruction. C. Limiting Iran's nuclear program. D. Global cybersecurity standards. Answer is option C. On 14th July 2015, the P5+1, China, France, Germany, Russia, the United Kingdom, and the United States, the European Union, EU, and Iran reached a Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, JCPOA. Aim: to ensure that Iran's nuclear program will be exclusively peaceful. JCPOA is commonly known as the Iran nuclear deal. USA withdrew from the pact in 2018. Consider the following statements regarding fully accessible route, FAR, bonds. 1. FAR bonds are issued by state governments to fund infrastructure projects. 2. FAR bonds allow unrestricted foreign investment without any investment ceilings. Which of the statements above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option B. Statement 1 is incorrect. The Reserve Bank, in consultation with the Government of India, introduced the Fully Accessible Route, FAR, for non-resident investment in Government of India dated securities. Statement 2 is correct. FAR bonds are government securities designated under the Fully Accessible Route, which allows foreign investors unrestricted access to invest in these bonds without any investment caps. RBI introduced this route in March 2020 to increase foreign participation in India's bond market. Thank you.